Action. Well, remember that blown engine that was on my 94 Sears? Well, here it is, upside down. I just got the crankcase bolts loosened. So let's go ahead and find out what happened. What caused it to throw a rod. Or it might have threw a rod, but we'll find out. I'll have to go get a hammer. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a hammer. I'm going to go ahead and hammer it off. Oh boy, that don't look so good in there. Oh, yep, there it is, yep. Yeah, oh man, look at that damage. It really did through the rod alright. Oh my gosh. Sorry if it's a little dark. Yep. Oh dear. Oh man. But give me another minute or two. Still got to get the crankcase off. There we go. Now I got it off. Oh yeah, we got metal shavings, a broken bolt. Look at that. Whew. More chunks. Look at that. Yeah, he really did blow the motor all right. I wonder why I couldn't turn it. Or, I mean, can't get it to have compression. I mean, the engine turns, but... Ugh, what is that? But the block appears to be fine on the inside. Well, you got oil, though. Whew. Yep, shavings, pieces. Nope. Sorry if it's a little dark. I'm just trying to get the... There we go, the camshaft. Oh yeah, that's got some damage there. Ooh, this... Oh, it's got some damage. But look at that. This right below it, that is incredibly crazy. Ooh, 35. Yep, got 35 on the camshaft. There's the engine governor. There, yep, there's the valves. Oh, there's the... Holy crap! It threw the rod right there. Right next to the valve. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, it busted up the block alright. Mostly the inside. Still a lot of shavings. There's another piece. Oh my gosh. Unreal. Figures. Oh well. Too bad. A good motor wasted. But yep, it did a lot of damage on the inside. So this block's no longer usable. But I think the valves are still reusable off of another 12.5 horse, including the camshaft, even if it's got some minor damage. But I wouldn't reuse it anyways. Might as well just toss it. But so there you go. I figured it through a rod, and it did. Because before I pulled the motor off, I took the head off where the piston comes up and fires by the spark plug. Where the spark plug is, I mean. My mind's a little slow tonight. I pulled it off just to be sure it's not a stuck valve, and the piston wasn't moving, and I was turning the crankshaft. Well, mostly the flywheel that was turning the crankshaft. Man, crazy. So yep, there you go. The blown 1994 motor, originally off the Sears. Y'all have a good day and a good night, and bye-bye.